In this video, we'll explore how to speed up your Telegram downloads in just a few simple steps. If your downloads seem slow, here's what you can do to improve the speed. First, ensure you're connected to a fast and stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is generally more reliable and faster than mobile data. If your router supports it, connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network for the best performance. Next, head over to the Telegram app and open the settings. Look for the Data and Storage section, and then tap on Storage Usage. Clear the app's cache here. A cluttered cache can cause slowdowns, so clearing it can improve download speeds. Another option to consider is upgrading to Telegram Premium. One of the key benefits of Premium is faster download speeds. Free users sometimes experience speed limits, especially with large files, but upgrading removes these restrictions. The most important factor is ensuring your internet connection is stable and fast. If your connection is poor, it will impact download speeds regardless of other optimizations. I hope these tips help you enjoy faster downloads on Telegram. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.